Hello everyone! Welcome to Rhythm of Flavors. Today we are making Dakshini or South Indian style chicken curry. The ingredients are also available in the description box below. Let's start with dry roasting masalas. 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 cardamom pods, 1/4 teaspoon Jaiphal, 3 to 4 Javitri strands or 1/4 teaspoon Javitri powder, and dry roast them. Next we dry roast 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. Make sure not to burn the poppy seeds. Dry roast 3 tablespoon grated coconut. Roast until it slightly changes color. Now cool all the ingredients. And grind them to a powder. Now let's marinate the chicken. Add the masala powder to about 400 gram of chicken. Salt to taste. 1 tablespoon garlic paste. 1 tablespoon ginger paste. And mix it well. It is best to let the chicken marinate for about 2 hours. In a pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add one was in a hurry. 2 green chilies, 2 large sliced onion. Fry the onions until the color changes. Add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Fry the onion until they are browned. Now add the marinated chicken. You need to mix it well. Adjust the salt if required. Add just half a cup of water, as chicken should cook in its juices. Cover and cook for about 10 minutes. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chilli powder. You can adjust the chilli powder according to your taste. Mix it. Now we add a cup of water for the curry. Cover and cook for another 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, love the smell. Give it a final stir and serve hot. I enjoy having it with coin paratha that you can already see on my plate. Do consider to subscribe to my channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching.